Okay, the reason why a passive $100 is better than a work $1,000, and if you've been watching my channel long enough, you probably know why already. It's because
Welcome to the Clean Biz Network podcast, the only place where cleaning business owners and aspiring cleaning business owners come for education, motivation, and the resources that you need to take your life to the next level. Now for your host, Mr. AJ Simmons.
What's up, people? AJ Simmons here with another episode of the Clean Biz Network podcast. And today, I want to talk about this. I want to talk about time. And time is money, that whole phrase, right? Because I want to break it down to you. And the reason why I want to break it down to you is because I was listening to one of my favorite YouTube channels, the A-Lux channel. And one phrase that they always, they like to repeat on that channel is about how $1,000 earned from working is worth less than $100 that you earn from passive income. And I agree with that 100%, but I want to explain why. Because some people going to hear that and be like, wait, $1,000 versus $100? Nah, give me the 1,000. You tripping, right? So, but I want to break down why that passive 100 is worth more than that $1,000 if you work for the $1,000. Now, before I go any further, I forgot to give you the disclaimer. I am driving, so I apologize that I got to talk to y'all with all this noise in the background, but I got to do what I got to do, right? So, getting it to you the best way I can, all right? But anyway, the reason why a passive $100 is better than a work $1,000, and if you've been watching my channel long enough, you probably know why already. It's because, man, there's only so many hours in a day, and as long as you're working for money, then there's always going to be a cap on the amount that you can make. Now, if you find a way to make, let's just say you got a $200 contract, $200 per month contract, and you hire somebody to work it for $100 a month, you keep the other $100 a month and it's passive. That's way better than that one sizable contract for $1,000 a month and you going out there and cleaning every single time, right? And let me explain why. Alright, I'll put my seatbelt on since they're telling on me in the background. But let me explain why. It's because of this. How many more of those $1,000 contracts can you get and go clean yourself? What, maybe 1, 2? You know what I mean? 3 at the max, right? So you probably can do 4 $1,000 a month contracts and that's it. You be tapped out probably. Clean them all by yourself. Versus if you get, 4 more of those $200 a month contracts, you'll be just getting started. You see what I'm saying? You can do it because you can go get 1,000 more of those. You can get 1,000,000 more of those. Why? Because you ain't cleaning. You just hire some more people to clean them, right? And it ain't got to be $200 contracts per month. It can be $2,000 a month contracts. The goal is not about getting a small amount of money. The goal is not working, right? Not physically working, finding a way to systemize it and duplicate your efforts, right? So it's like, if you can clean well, good. Now hire 3 more people that can clean good, right? And then put them in the contract so that way you can multiply your business. That's how capitalism works, okay? That's how the job that you had or still have, whatever you had, that's how they operate their company, right? They simply provide a service or a product, hire somebody else to either make it or provide the service, and that's it. They charge a premium price for it to the customer. That's how business works, okay? So it's really a mindset that you have to develop and really nurture and get deep down in your head and to realize that time is money, okay? And when I say time is money, I don't mean time is cash. I mean the time itself is the actual money. That's not how A-Lux means it, but that's how I mean it, okay? Time, because when they say time is money, they were talking about time is money earlier. They were saying time ain't money because time is more valuable than money. Money is a limited resource. No. I'm talking about time is the actual money. Like, that's the thing of value. The time is the money. I ain't say time is currency, right? Because anything can be currency. And I mean, now Bitcoin is a form of currency, right? So it's changing, right? And you got all type of currencies out there. But money is money. Money is the thing of value. And what's the most valuable thing on this world? It's time. And so that's my point. Why would you work for the money when you can make it passively? Like, save your time. This whole thing is about time. You can't get it back. You cannot get your time back. So instead of trying to work for cash, you know what I mean, for green pieces of paper that's fake, you know what I mean, why not like put systems in place so you can get your time back? Give me the passive money any day over that high earning, hard labor work that you got to put in, right? Give me a $10,000 a month passive income business over $1 million a month business that I got to work 20 hours a day for. You know what I mean? I'm working 12 and 14 hours a day. I'll be damned. I don't want it. Don't give me that stress. I'll scale that $10,000 a month passive business up all the same, right? And I'll do it more comfortable, right? And I'll do it and enjoy it too, right? Because at the end of the day, the most important thing is your time here on this earth, and if you're happy or not. You know what I mean? And then if you're gonna leave something to your people, why wouldn't you leave a system in place? Why don't you leave them a system? Because you don't want to leave them no business, a so-called a business, but you got a slave to do it, right? I told y'all about the cleaning company owner that I knew, who he had it was a multi-million-dollar cleaning company, and he had 3 different locations. One of them was doing like $300,000 a month, the other one was doing like $100,000 a month, and then the other one was doing like $500,000 a month, right? But the guy couldn't leave. Him and his wife, like when they wanted to travel, either him or his wife had to stay in their city because one of them had to be there to run the operations of a business. To me, that sounds like a nightmare. I don't want anything to do with that. If that much money coming in per month, and y'all still can't live like, you know what I mean, have your freedom, then something is wrong with the operations. We got to change that, right? So, no, I don't want that. If I got to work 14 hours a day, no, don't give me that. The time is the most important thing. You see what I'm saying? And that's why I asked that question, like I told you on another episode on the podcast in the group. What is the real reason you started your business? And the real reason for me was freedom, right? I don't want to have no job reporting and answering to people. You know what I mean? And I also want to have the ability, the freedom, and the cash to be able to invest in other things, because we entrepreneurs, we like to do multiple things, most of us, right? You know what I mean? So it's like, but you ain't gonna be able to get to do that if that business that you're trying to build taking you, you know what I mean, all of them hours a day just to run, because you chasing the bag, you chasing the wrong thing. You see what I'm saying? Now, of course, when you first start up early on, you are gonna have to put those hours in, and don't get it confused, because I definitely do, and I did in the beginning is what I mean. I definitely put them hours in, and that's how I was able to earn my way to the position that I'm in now. I had to go through those experiences and learn, right? So in that beginning, don't be scared to put them, I mean, don't be scared to put in them hours, man. I done worked 24 hours straight out there cleaning, building, sleep in the car, or not sleep at all sometimes. You try not to doze off on the machine out there. You know what I mean? So you definitely gonna have to grind it up. And I mean, it will be times where it makes sense to do that. But once you get yourself built up to that system, keep it there. Don't fall in love with the grind. It ain't forever. That's temporary. That's supposed to be for a season. That's supposed to get you out of the struggle phase so you can graduate and start building then, right? So anyway, that's what I got for y'all, man. Time is the money, okay? You want your time back, but in order to get to the building that system, you might have to make some sacrifices in the beginning. But be willing to make those sacrifices and never forget the true end goal to this thing, man. So appreciate y'all listening. I'm AJ Simmons. If you're thinking about starting your cleaning company, head to cleanbiznetwork.com. You can get your starter kits. You can also get some leads from us, right? So check out our lead generation service. We set the appointment for you. All you got to do is go there, close the deal. We schedule the appointment, tell you who the point of contact is, give you the address, set the time for you, all that. You just show up, do your thing. All right? And it's very, like, that increases the chances of you getting customers so much. It's amazing, man. It really is. And I was just talking to, we do a weekly call every week in the Clean Biz Network group. And I was like, somebody was asking me, like, what is the best way to grow, right? And I was trying to, you know, I'm always trying to be, like, not biased, right? But I'm naming all these different things, and somebody just cut me off and said, lead generation, the CBN lead generation, like, seriously, don't waste your time with all this other stuff. You know what I mean? And it's like, I agree 100%. Now, I agree 100%. I told y'all, even when I'm looking for customers, I use my company, period. It's just that easy, man. It's like, if 9 times out of 10, like, I ain't gonna say 9 times out of 10, 85% times out of 100, we sending you a good, solid appointment. Then on the other 15% of the time, you just tell us that something happened where, you know what I mean, it was wrong, it was a bad lead, they didn't let you do a walkthrough, and we replace it for you. Simple. You know what I mean? But it's guaranteed that you getting a walkthrough, though. Guaranteed. Versus if you go buy some ads and then you hoping that somebody call your phone, they probably won't in the beginning unless you got a huge budget. You know what I mean? Or unless you've been doing ads for a long time and you really know what you're doing, right? So why not go ahead and invest in something that's guaranteeing you that opportunity to get in front of the customer? So just saying. Anyway, talk to y'all later, man. Good luck to y'all. Hope y'all have a good one.
Hey, entrepreneur. Now, you may be listening to today's podcast episode and you may be super pumped up and excited. And you may be asking yourself, how can I get my business started today? How can I get going today? Well, I'm here to tell you that cleaning business starter kits are available at cleanbiznetwork.com. AJ Simmons and the Clean Biz Network have designed these amazing starter kits for entrepreneurs like yourself to get all the knowledge, okay? All the tools, all the resources, all the coaching, all the access to other successful commercial cleaning business owners you need to get the motivation, the knowledge, the resources, and tools to launch your business today. Log on to cleanbiznetwork.com to get more information about the cleaning business starter kits.
Thank you for listening to the Clean Biz Network podcast. To start and or grow your cleaning company, visit cleanbiznetwork.com.